Hi to all, it's still dark in here, and in today's video we have to change the oil. So let's get started. So like you saw in the video, we need to change the oil. So if we go to car and we go to service and checks, okay, we go to oil level, it's okay, and service interval. So we need to change the oil in the motor, and we need to change the oil in the gearbox. So for this we need tools, and tools we need like this. So here are the tools we need. So we need 4 liters of oil for DSG fluid, for the automatic transmission. We need engine oil, so this is 5W30 from Castrol Edge. And we need Bosch for the oil filter. And for the DSG we need some pressure, and we're gonna use this garden pressure sprayer. I mounted fit so we can directly connect to the automatic gearbox and put in the oil. So, and we need with CDRS because we need to do something with the gearbox, so stay tuned. Now I'm gonna go for a little ride to warm up the engine and see you. So this is my B9 Audi A4, but I have one problem. I cannot change the oil in DSG because I bought the wrong adapter. So this adapter it's not good for this DSG. So I will only change the oil in the motor and the filter for oil that is here. I have to lose this water so I can remove the filter, oil filter. And you have to remove this cover from the bottom. Of course, you have 4 different types of screws, so good luck with that. And now I'm just gonna change the oil in the motor, so stay tuned. So now I am underneath the car. For this job you need 19mm socket and a wrench, and then you loosen the bolt and then you need the bucket where you're gonna put the oil, and then if all goes well, we should be able to take the bolt out. It's one long bolt if you ask me. And that's it. So this bucket is 9 liters and we should have less for that. So now you wait, and that's it. And now we're gonna go upside to change the oil filter, so stay tuned. So as you can see, I took out the oil filter, so you have to loosen this bolt to move this coolant bucket away. And for this job you need 32 socket, you need this and wrench, and now it's out. And now we have 5 liters of oil, and let's change the filter. So here we have the new oil filter. So we have 1 and 2 rubber to change. So one is here and the other one is inside. I'm gonna check it and I will show you. So I put the new oil filter and the new rubber, and this little rubber, I don't know where it goes, but I don't think it's from here, or it can go in here, but I'm not so sure. So now let's put this whole thing together. So I've put 4 liters of oil, and let's see. Oil change, okay, we did that. We're gonna start the car. Okay, we're gonna go and see the oil, what we have here. So we need 2 minutes. Okay, we're gonna go that, and we're gonna service interval. We're gonna reset oil change. Yes. Are you sure? Yes. And now we have 15,000 kilometers. But we need to change the DSG oil too. I just need the cap, the adapter for it. So now I will be back. So I've put 4 liters of oil. As you can see, it's on minimum, so we need more. So the car took 5 liters of oil. As you can see, we didn't go to the max. We are at 3/4. So that's it. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next videos. That was 3 Dark Out. Bye.